Hello students, how are you? We are doing chapter number 4, exercise 4.3. Question number first we have finished. In that 4 graphs we learnt. Now let us begin with question number 2. Here question is this. Give the equations of 2 lines passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? First of all children, this is one point. For this point we have to find out 2 equations. Okay. Then we will discuss next point. Now children, this is one point. This is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. We have to find out one equation satisfying this condition. This means in that x is 2 and y is 14. Let us take children x equal to 2, y equal to 14. So we write this way, x plus y is equal to something. Now children, you can see that x we put 2 here, y we put 14. So what will be there? 16. So this is your first equation, or you can say that this is first line and equation. Let us take another equation children. Because it is asked 2 equations. Suppose we write 2x plus y. Children, orally you can do here. 2 you put here, so 2 into 2, 4 plus y equal to 16. So it is 20. So put here 20 children. This is our second line. This is first line. And this is first line. I am using the word meaning is what? If you draw the graph of this equation, you will get one line. If you draw the graph of this equation, you will get another line. And both the lines are passing through this point. Now children, third equation also you can find out. Children, simply we take here 3x plus y only. So what will be there children? 3 into 2 plus 16. 3 into 2 what? 6 plus 16. 6 plus 16 means 22 children. So here you can take 22. Okay. Now by this way you can find any equation. Suppose I take here 9x minus y. So what will be there? 9 into 2 minus y is 16. 9 into 2 is 18 minus 16, 2. So this is third. So now children, we have this is third equation. This is fourth equation. Likewise, you can have many equations. Here it is asked now how many more such lines are there and why. So we know that for any point there are infinite lines. Okay children. So by this way we have found 4 children. You can have other types of equations. Here I found this 4. You may have different types of equations. And answer is there are infinitely many lines. Now question number 3. If the point this 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation this, find the value of A. Children, very easy. This is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. So x equal to 3, y equal to 4. Put here in this equation and simplify it. You will get value of A. Let us try. First you try. Now children, 3, 4 is the point. Equation is this 3y ax plus 7. Put the value. Now children, here you write this way. X equal to 3, y equal to 4. Now put y here. A x value 3 plus 7. ચલો આ એટલા માટે લખવાનું કે ઘણી વખત શું થાય અહીંયા y પહેલો લખ્યો છે એટલે આ 3 તમે અહીંયા મૂકી દો અને પછી કરો ગોટાળા. So 3 into 4 12, 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 equal to 3a. 5 equal to 3a. 5 by 3 equal to a. Therefore a equal to 5 by 3 children. This is your answer children. Understood? Very easy. From here only you have to learn. Bring 7 this side. 12 minus 7 5. Bring this 3 denominator. So 5 by 3. So a equal to 5 by 3 children. This is answer. Let us proceed. Next sum, question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and also draw its graph, children. Let us understand. Now, children, total distance what? Total distance, taking the distance covered x kilometers. So, x kilometer is total distance. Okay. What is total fare? It is given, and the total fare is rupees y. Okay. Now, children, it is given that for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. For the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8. આ જૂની હેબિટ છે ને ચિલ્ડ્રન અમારી, rupees 8. Okay. Now, children, see, interesting here. So, for the first kilometer, fare is rupees 8. And remaining distance, હવે કેટલું રહ્યું? Remaining distance કેટલું છે? x minus 1 kilometer, children. કે આપણે ફેર ગોતવાનું છે ને, તો ફર્સ્ટ કિલોમીટર તો આપણે 8 રૂપીસ આપી દઈશું. હવે બાકી કેટલા કિલોમીટર આપણે ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરવાનું છે? તો કે x minus 1 કિલોમીટર. તો ફેર કેટલું થશે એના માટે? ફેર ફોર x minus 1 કિલોમીટર. હવે એ બાકીના એમાં એ 5 રૂપિયા છે, રૂપીસ 5 પર કિલોમીટર. સો 5 into x minus 1. Okay. So now simplify it, 5x minus 5, children. So now, children, this is fare for x minus 1 kilometer. Now total distance is how much? X kilometer. So total fare કેટલું થશે હવે? Total fare rupees 8 આ પહેલા કિલોમીટરનું, અને બાકીનાનું આટલું 5x minus 5. So it is 5x plus 3. 8 minus 5, 3. So ટોટલ ફેર આપણને આટલું મળ્યું. પણ ચિલ્ડ્રન હવે જો ટોટલ ફેર વી ગોટ 5x plus 3 અને સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં લીધું ને ટોટલ ફેર y, તો આ y અહીંયા મૂકી દો, y equal to 5x plus 3. Oh, children, you can see that now we have obtained equation x and y. So now, children, we have obtained an equation. So this is our required equation, children. Okay. Now we have to draw the graph. That you can do it easily. Let us draw the graph y equal to 5x plus 3. Now, children, here points we have taken. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. This is taken point. And this value found, children. Okay. This calculation you can do it, children. Put here minus 2, so 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 10 plus 3, minus 7. Put here 1, 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, children. Now, children, here you can see that y, negative direction up to minus 7 we have to go. So, children, here up to minus 7 I have taken, up to minus 7, and on positive y-axis we have to go 8. So up to 9 and here down up to minus 8 we can do. Let us take first point, 0, 3. Y is 3, x is 0. This is our point, children. Children, I have used black pen. You don't use in exam. Compulsory you have to use it pencil. Minus 1, minus 2, children. X minus 1, y minus 2. This is point. Now minus 2, minus 7. X is minus 2 here and y is minus 7. So now, children, see, here is minus 7 and this is here minus 2. So this is your point, children. Okay. Next is 1 and 8. X1 is here, y8 is here, children. So now, children, we have obtained 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now children, here we have to draw a line passing through all 4 points. Let me draw. You can see that children, all 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is a line passing through all 4 points. Okay. 1, 8, 0, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. You can see children, all 4 points are passing through this line. I am trying to show you. Okay. Question number 5 children. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given here. Now children, figure 4.6. Children, here is a figure and here are 4 options. અહીંયા જે લાઈન ડ્રો કરી છે આ લાઈનનું આ ચારમાંથી કયું ઇક્વેશન છે that we have to find out. This is second question children. So first of all, let us try. Children, all points are given here. This point is minus 1, 1. This point is 0, 0. Here point is 1, minus 1. Children, now put any value in this equation one by one and check where we are getting answer. Suppose we take y equal to x. So y is equal to x. Suppose you put x equal to minus 1 here. This one you put here. No children. This will not be the equation for this line. Let us take this one children. Y equal to 2x. So here you put value of x is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 it is minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Here y equal to what? 1. So this is not possible. Or both the values here you can put that way also you can do it. Put x equal to minus 1 here. Put y equal to 1. Are you getting equal? No, we are not getting equal. Now this children. This one is left, children. This one is left. I am taking this one. Put this value here. Here you put minus 1. So it is minus 7. Put this value here. So it is 3 into 1. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 5. And here this side minus 7 you are getting. They are not equal. So 1, 2 and 3. All 3 equations are not possible children. Only this one is possible. Put the value minus 1 and 1 here. So minus 1 and 1 you put, you will get 0 children. So this is your answer. How to write answer? That may be your question. So children, take this minus 1 and 1. Take x equal to minus 1, x equal to 1. Put in this. So you are getting this answer. Okay. Now second sum. Here let us do. Let me try. I am doing paper pencil work children. Now see. Pay attention children. How I am doing. Take one point. Let us take children any point you take. Suppose we take 2, 0. This is our point 2, 0. Put this 2, 0 in this one. Y equal to x plus 2. Put here x equal to 2. Put here 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Y equal to 4. But here what? Y equal to 0. So this is not our equation. Y equal to x minus 2 children. Okay. Put this value 2 here. 2 minus 2. Getting 0. So y equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So this is our answer children. Okay. So children, y equal to x minus 2 is our answer. But we have to check for other value also. Let us take 0, 2 you put here. So 0, 2 we have to take and we have to put in this equation. So y equal to x minus 2. Put x equal to 0. 0 minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. So now children, this point 2, 0 is satisfying this equation. Means this 2, 0 is satisfying this equation. But this 0, 2 is not satisfying this equation. This equation. Therefore, this 2, 0, therefore this answer is not our correct answer. Okay. Now children, we have to take next one, third one, y equal to x y equal to minus x plus 2. Take children this 2 0 here, 2 0, put here value 2, we are getting 0, y equal to 0. So it is right children. So this is our answer. But now we have to check for 0 2 also children. Okay, we have to take two values children. So now y equal to minus x plus 2, put value here 0, in place of x 0 plus 2, 2. So children, you can see that for 0 2 this equation is satisfied, and for this value also this equation is satisfied, means this is our correct answer. Okay children. So by this way we have finished question number 5. Let us proceed next question.